In this video, all about Sansevieria Cylindrica. Sansevieria Cylindrica is a succulent native to the country of Angola. You can see part of the country's name in its scientific name, Dra-ca-ena an-go-len-sis. It is formerly in the genus Sansevieria. It is now included also in the genus Dra-ca-ena. Sansevieria Cylindrica is also known as cylindrical snake plant, African spear or spear Sansevieria, or in Brazil Saint Bárbara sword. Description: Cylindrica has striped, elongated, smooth, greenish-gray cylindrical leaves. They are up to 1 inch 3 centimeters diameter and grow up to 7 feet above soil, 2 meters. It grows fan-shaped with its stiff leaves growing from a basal rosette. The species is interesting in having a sub-cylindrical instead of strap-shaped leaves caused by a failure to express genus, which would cause the cylindrical bud to differentiate dor-so-ven-tral-ly or produce a distinctive and familiar top and bottom surface to the leaf blade. It grows a tall flower stalk with 1 inch greenish-white tubular flowers that are tinged with pink. Cultivation: the species is drought tolerant and in cultivation requires water only about once every other week during the growing season. The species can be watered once a month during the winter months. The species was described in 1837 under the synonym Sansevieria Cylindrica. It received its common name from a competition in a Dutch national newspaper. It is popular as an ornamental plant as it is easy to culture and take care of in a home if given bright sunlight and other required resources. Here are all the growing care and details. African spear plants are generally very low maintenance. They'll survive if you forget to water or feed them, and can thrive being root bound in a pot. They are hardy plants that don't typically have problems with the diseases or pests, and they're not overly picky about their growing conditions. During the growing season, spring to fall, they will appreciate semi-regular watering and occasional fertilizing, and over the winter plan to avoid fertilization and water minimally. Get this routine right, and that's the majority of the care that goes into keeping an African spear plant happy and healthy. If you're growing your plant in a container, you likely won't have to repot it more than every few years once the roots start noticeably growing out of the pot. A heavy pot that is shallow and wide is best, as it will anchor the weight of the leaves. Otherwise, your plant might easily tip over. Also be sure the pot has ample drainage holes. Light. These plants can tolerate somewhat low light conditions, but they prefer full sunlight along with bright filtered light. Outdoors, they will appreciate morning sun but should be protected from direct hot afternoon sun. Indoors, they like a bright north-facing window. Too little light can result in subpar leaf growth. Like most succulents, these plants prefer a sandy soil that has excellent drainage and doesn't retain water. A potty mix made especially for succulents is ideal. Water. African spear plants can survive long periods of drought, and being left in soggy soil or standing water for too long can cause the roots to rot. Let the soil dry out between waterings, and then water the plant deeply. Watering every week or every other week is generally enough. Temperature and humidity. These succulents grow naturally in hot, dry climates, and cold temperatures can damage or kill them. Make sure they remain in temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Fertilizer. African spear plants can live in lean soil and they don't require much fertilizer. Feed them with a succulent fertilizer diluted to half strength monthly from spring to fall. This channel is all about plants. Check out these other videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment. That helps a lot. Thank you.